routine. Alright guys, I'm running around like a crazy woman here today. I've got to get going to film the blue lights video, Lauren and I. So I got to head out to do that today, and then I'm going to edit it, and then I'm going to go to the eye doctor myself. So let me get him out and get out the door. Just wanted to say good morning, and I'll check in a little bit. All right guys, well we are all done filming. It took quite a few hours. It's almost 1 o'clock already. It was so technical and so interesting, you guys. I can't wait for you to hear more about the glasses that Lauren and I wear. Truly, I mean, wow, what goes behind the scenes as far as making those glasses are not like those, you know, like the ones you can just buy online, you know, from, you know, places that are inexpensive and cheap. Those aren't really blue light glasses. These are blue light. So I hope you guys really enjoy the video. It's probably not going to come out to the end of the week because I got to edit all that and stuff like that yet. So, but I'm actually now though, I'm in Starbucks getting a coffee, and then I'm going to run home real quick. And then I have my eye doctor appointment. So it's sort of funny that getting all the eyes taken care of today, and they actually kept my glasses there at Blue Winks because they're going to just keep my frames for my new prescription. And I've got an older pair that I'll just wear until then. So anyway, I need to go home and get those. So if I gotta fill out any paperwork at the doctor's office, the eye doctor, that I'll be able to at least read what I'm writing. So I'm gonna go run home, grab those after I get my Starbucks here. And then I wanted to make something with you guys today that I saw that I thought would be delicious. And then I don't really know what else. Oh, I have a conference call this afternoon too. So I got a lot going on today, oh my goodness. But I wanted to check in and say hello. I'm gonna go get my Starbucks, my chestnut praline, 2 pumps of pumpkin, sometimes 1 or 2, depending what I want, almond milk, and just a little bit of whip. All right guys, getting ready to get my eyes tested. They put the drops in my pupils, so they're gonna be really big. Let's see how I do. I've been wanting to dig into these 12 copies of Christmas. I think this one I got from Hobby Lobby, and I guess we're at that day. So I'm gonna grab this first one, and being that I still have my pupils are dilated, I have no idea what that says, but hopefully it's good. Okay, and I didn't get to finish my coffee from this morning, so I'm gonna make another one, and then I'm gonna put one of these struples on top. Stroop waffle, sorry, and from Trader Joe's that I showed you guys the other day. So it's gonna be my little afternoon snack, and I'm still going to make something with you guys with cashews. Different snack options when you have company and stuff like that. We're gonna have really much company, but even just to snack on during the holiday season. So I like to give ideas, and maybe these ideas you can share or just keep for even next year, or you really use any time of the year when it comes to nuts. So I'm gonna get everything together, and then we're gonna make those, and something you can just store in a airtight container and just, you know, something to munch on throughout the next few weeks. I'm not sure what we're gonna do for dinner yet today, because I feel like this date is flying on by me. It's already, I think, I don't know, looks like maybe 4 o'clock. So I've got some more stuff I want to share with you guys yet today. So we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna make the coffee and enjoy my little afternoon snack, and then I'll jump back on here in a little bit. All right, well, I tried 2 of the Hobby Lobby coffees and nothing worked. As you can see, there's a few grounds in here and just water. So I've already run through 2 and wasted them, so it looks like I'll be giving these away to someone else. Glasses on, and I still can't see anything because of these eyes. I don't know, I'm gonna make anything. Yeah, I'm really sad about these. I cannot believe I did 2 here and they were just water. I don't understand it. So, oh well, so much for waiting on those lovely flavors, but at least I've got this one. Okay, so I'm gonna enjoy my coffee, but I'm deciding, do I want to make, as far as the cashews, you guys, there's a few different ones. They have these honey roasted ones, roasted cinnamon and sugar, and these ones are sweet and spicy, which I think might be delicious. It's not the recipe I was originally looking at, but that's okay, this will be fun. I think I'm gonna get everything together to see what I have, and then we're gonna make a nice little festive-y, crunchy, nutty mixture here. Well, okay, so
yeah. I just thought of something. I know they have adapters and I can't find ours. So I'm gonna go pick up an adapter so I can take this coffee out and still use it. Yay, okay, solved that problem. Now I just have to go to Target or somewhere and get the adapter. Or I might even just go on Amazon and save myself a trip because maybe I can get one by tomorrow. All right, so let me go ahead. I'm gonna go on Amazon real quick and then we're gonna get ready to make this nut mixture. Okay. Breakfast for dinner. Don't judge the paper plates, but I've got a busy night ahead of me and I wanna make it simple tonight. So this is dinner. We got some potato latkes that should come out of the oven here in a minute. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get everything ready for the cashew mix. And it sounds like it's gonna be really good. All right, first things first, I got my loungers on. All right, I put the oven to 325 and I lined a baking sheet with some parchment paper. I got a 1/4 cup here of honey. I put a little bit more than a 1/4 cup. It's because I've got a little bit more than the 12 ounces of cashews that the recipe calls for. I think I have 16. And then I'm gonna go ahead and mix about a teaspoon of cayenne and about a teaspoon of chili. Okay, so approximately, I don't know, I'm a little scared. The recipe calls for like either a teaspoon of either one. I read the comments and someone suggested they wanted to have more, so I'm gonna beef this up a little bit more and hope I don't regret it. Okay, then I'm gonna stir this around. I'm just gonna stick this in the microwave for just maybe, 10-15 seconds just to liquefy it just a little bit more. And then we're gonna go ahead and add it to the cashews.
You might think the weather's kinda cold, you've got a hand to hold. Come along out and play. What a wonderful day. Your white cheeks are so hard to resist. Those red lips are longing for a kiss. Come along out and play. What a wonderful day. Christmas is almost here. Let's toast to a very good year. It's just you and me, chilling right under the tree. Stay outdoors, a different kind of date. I'm all yours and I can hardly wait. Come along, start the show, having fun in the snow. White smile is brightening up my day. Your blonde hair.
Right, so after reading some of the reviews, one of the people suggested taking off the nuts that just came out of the oven now and put them on another lined parchment sheet, cookie sheet with parchment paper, and just stir it around a little bit and then let it cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and try.
Start the show, having fun in the snow. Almost here, let's toast to a very good year. It's just you and me, chilling right under.
All right, guys, we're gonna do the 12 Wines of Christmas. Like I said, it's gonna butt right up against to Christmas Eve, but whatever. Okay, so as you see, remember last night I opened this one up. It was a I think it was a Chardonnay. Allie and I just tried a sip of it and it seemed to be pretty good. So let's check out what number 2 is here. And these aren't full bottles. I think they are about a 2.5 glasses. Oh, Pinot Noir. Now, this could be something I could sip on tonight. The Browns play tonight, so I'll be watching that game with Mark, and also the Voice finale is on tonight, so maybe I'll go back and forth. Plus, I gotta catch up on some Vlogmas videos. Oh my gosh, I've got some Vlogmas channels I want to share with you guys. Okay, so let me go get organized. Meantime, these are cooling off, and I have to tell you, they are delicious. So I'm gonna write up the recipe right now so I can get it in the description section for you guys tonight.
when this video goes out. I'm gonna try to gather some of my things together so that way when I end this tonight, I can share some of those. Sorry about the lighting. I'm just trying to get in a good area. So I can share some of those other channels that I'm watching with Vlogmas. Get that recipe uploaded and then maybe pour myself a little glass of wine while I finish doing all this tonight. So, okay, let me get those channels together for you because there's one, she made a comment in our comment section and I went ahead and started watching her channel and I really just immediately knew I was gonna like her. She's a woman of faith and I just loved her messages. Okay, so let me get all that together and I'll be right back. Guys, so I poured a glass of wine right here. It's the Pinot Noir. It's not bad. I've had better, not bad. I'm exhausted, so right now it tastes not bad at all. Those nuts are delicious. Mark even liked them a lot. So they're still a little tacky. I'm not sure how I'm gonna store them yet, but I'll figure out a way, you know, something in an airtight container. But I promised you guys I was gonna share with you a Vlogmas channel. She is, I'm thinking, one of our subscribers, and I didn't even know about her channel. And oh my goodness, as soon as I started watching her, I just felt like, wow, you know how you can just watch someone you just know, I like this person. Her name is Heather Baxter, and it's actually, I have it up on my screen here on my TV. I'm gonna watch some more of her Vlogmases. She's a woman of faith, and I think I just love that. So I can't wait to watch some more. I'm just really excited about it. I've got other channels too, I was gonna mention, but you guys, I'm just so busy. I feel like I'm going in 10 directions today because the video that Lauren and I shot earlier this morning, it took a lot longer than I thought just because we wanted it to be really thorough, and anyway, it took a lot more time, so I just feel like I'm sort of behind a little bit today. Plus I had to go to the eye doctor and then I couldn't see when I came home. The funniest thing is, like, they expect you to drive, and I called Mark. I said, Mark, I'm like a nervous wreck. And he's like, do you want me to come get you? I said, no, I'll be fine. Thank God it wasn't that far away, but anyway, so I was like, okay, so I'm just taking my time driving home. So I just didn't feel like I could see that well when I got home. So I'm all back to normal now. I'm not sure if my pupils are back to normal. But anyway, I'm gonna sit here. I'm gonna watch some of the game with Mark. I'm going to catch up on some Vlogmas videos. I'm gonna put my earplugs in, drink my wine, and then tomorrow we have a doctor appointment and browse. Yeah, that's tomorrow. I don't know what else we're gonna do with that. Also, you know, Bev and Julie are coming up for Christmas, and I'm really excited about that. Hold on one sec. Mark's on the phone speaker there. Okay, so they're coming in. They're getting COVID tested, make sure everything comes back, and they're driving straight here. So basically from here on out, Mark and I really aren't doing anything. So we're just gonna stay home with family right here in the house. But what else? Anyway, we're gonna go, you know, we're just sort of planning, we're planning like food and meals and things that they want. And, you know, so we're gonna be doing a lot more eating, put it to you that way. So, all right, you guys, I've talked long enough. I wanna go ahead, get this out to you here shortly, enjoy my wine. And thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I don't know if it was anything interesting, but this was my day. So we'll see you guys in the morning. Have a great night.
Everyone's waiting for snow.